combine blackness, we make one black man.
That's exactly it.
And you know.
Hey, what's good? It's Joe and Albert J.
What's happening?
I'm gonna teach them how to make a cocktail. We're gonna make some drinks.
Okay.
Paired around the album that you gave me, actually. The few albums.
Okay.
So do you remember which albums you,
Oh, I do remember it. One was To Pimp a Butterfly, Kendrick Lamar. A Beautiful Dark Twisted Fantasy, Kanye West. That one is my shit. And I believe it's Dark and Hell is Hot by DMX. Shout out to the OG. Did I send you any others?
You sent me two more, but I can't remember what they were. But basically what we're gonna be doing is I'm gonna pair an album with one of those. I'm gonna pair a cocktail with one of those albums.
Okay.
One that I've wanted to do for a while actually was To Pimp a Butterfly. So
Yes.
That's what I'm gonna do. I went back and just kind of listened a little bit more to Pimp a Butterfly, just to get the juices flowing.
Word.
The first track that I went back to listen to was I.
Yeah. Oh man. I is crazy. That was the first, I think, single that came off of that album. It was like not what I expected out of Kendrick Lamar, but
It was different for him when it first came out. That single was...
1,000,000%.
You remember there was two different versions too?
I did not know that there was two different versions.
So the single came out and it was like the full track, and then when the album came out, there was I on the album that has like a break.
Yes, actually, I actually do remember that.
That's a part of what like inspired what cocktail I was gonna go for, because he goes off on an acapella.
There was black people in that skit. I remember they were fighting,
Yeah.
and then he stopped the whole show and he broke down what niggas meant. So
I mean, like I started choking up hearing that acapella again, because a lot of the reasons why he was even saying that in the first place is a lot of the same problems that we're still dealing with now, and it's been 5 years since the album release. What I was gonna do was go with pairing a cocktail with the whole Black is Beautiful type of thing. So I was gonna do a
Black is beautiful, by the way. Ain't that right, Jack?
Hell yeah!
So originally I was thinking of doing a Black Manhattan, but then I started flipping through this cocktail book here and I found a cocktail called the Black Prince.
Okay.
Grab yourself a Yari.
Okay. Let's go.
I'm gonna have you grab this orange bitters.
Got it.
The recipe's calling for a dash of orange bitters into the cocktail, so go ahead, dash that right up in there.
Angostura orange bitters.
That's
Okay.
right.
Straight up.
Ooh. So it calls for Amaro. I got Chinar, just one of my favorite. We're gonna do a half ounce of this.
Oh yeah, this is all brand new too. We're about to get drunk. This shit smells great.
It's my artichoke boy. It's calling for, I believe, 3/4 of Punta Mess. We're gonna use the Cokie instead.
Cokie Americano is also in one of my favorite cocktails called a corpse reviver.
All right, and then it's saying 2 ounces of dark rum.
Everything we've been talking about. Boom.
Yeah, make sure it's got that little bubble. Bam.
Okay, hold up.
There you
Sorry.
go. Yeah.
I had to add a little bit more fast with it, my bad. You know what I'm saying? Y'all didn't see that. That's cut that off.
All right, and that's it. We're gonna stir it. You stirred a cocktail before?
100%.
Hell yeah.
Get a little bit of
You get the ugly spoon.
Yo, the aroma that's coming from this, y'all don't even know.
And it is served up in a coupe glass. It says garnish it with like a cherry, probably. I don't know. I didn't read it all the way. But let's garnish it with an orange and a cherry. You're one of the only people that I'm gonna have on here that I'll trust with that peeler.
Right. Is this a sharp one? Y'all gotta be careful with
It's
these
new.
peelers.
Yeah.
These peelers have ended many people's
Fingers. Oh yeah, I don't know why I'm grabbing the other orange.
Nice.
Ooh! Give that boy a nice little zest. And we got some filthy cherries over here, Joey.
Filthy Richards?
That's
Holy shit. This is how I wanna be when I get rich.
fake diamond.
Dead ass. Just, I want it to be real diamonds. A diamond pick. Oh, hold on. Look at him. See? Joe's inner bartender is coming out right now. Look at him. He couldn't even help it.
Cheers up on this one and see how it goes.
Woo.
Ooh, that's cool with rum. I like that a
I
lot.
like it with rum a lot.
Yeah.
This is a very boozy drink.
All right, so what do you, how you feeling about the Black Prince?
The Black Prince is Prince of Zamunda good. You know what I'm talking about? This is Coming to America-esque. Y'all know what that is? Watch Coming to America. Do your history on Eddie Murphy.
Do you think this is on par with like a good pairing for To Pimp a Butterfly?
Oh,
Can sip on this and listen to To Pimp a Butterfly?
Absolutely. You want some of this, Jack?
Try that.
That's
Yeah.
perfect. That's
There it is.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Damn, thanks.
Well, thank you guys for tuning in for the first episode, I guess, of BandBoozled. You can check out BandBoozled merch, most likely on Indie River as soon as I make it. You can check out Albert J's merch on Indie River as well, as soon as the site launches, if it hasn't launched already. Thank y'all for tuning in.
Yes.
Subscribe and whatnot. All that.
Straight up.
Follow.
And stream, grow everywhere music is played.
If you want to check out more of Joey too, we also have an interview piece up on him coming up here soon, so be sure to subscribe. That's it. I'm out.
Appreciate you, bro.
Yes.
Let's get drunk.